We've got a special guest today, Dr. Dennis Banker. He's a chiropractor practicing down in the Elk Grove area. And Dr. Banker, thanks so much for joining us today.
It's a pleasure to be here, Dan.
We use the term chiropractor a lot, but a lot of people don't know what a chiropractor does. Can you give us a short explanation?
You bet. What chiropractic is, it's a natural form of health care that deals with the structure and the function of the body, and that's relationship in promoting health in the body and staving off disease.
So people, they hear, well, the doctor, he cracked my back or he did that. Technically, we're talking about an adjustment or a manipulation, and what are you manipulating?
A spinal adjustment is a specified force applied to the joint that allows that joint to move and restore function back to that joint. And that allows then the nervous system to function properly throughout the body.
Okay. We were asking our viewers for questions, and they've responded. Jeff, you've got some?
Yeah, I do. A couple of good questions here. The first one for you, doctor, is from Kelly Ramirez. I have cervical radiculopathy, and can chiropractic care relieve the symptoms? Medical treatments have not helped.
You know, it's interesting. A lot of patients that chiropractors do see have gone the medical route and have tried everything else and end up in our office. And oftentimes we can help, but again, we want to make sure that we're not dealing with any type of pathology, and it's important that she has a screening to rule these things out prior to getting her adjustment. I have had patients in the past, and I know other chiropractors have been very successful in treating cervical radiculopathy.
Now, there used to be quite a, I guess, rivalry between medical doctors and chiropractic doctors. Has that eased up a little bit? Is there more teamwork?
It has, and again, we're here to improve the health of the patient, and it's important that we work together so that the patient gets the best of both worlds. Medicine has its place, as well as chiropractic.
Jeff?
And doctor, well, a lot of people think that when it comes to back problems, it's maybe 50 or over, older crowd, but this viewer comment here speaks to the truth about how it can affect younger people. How do you build up tissue in the neck? My husband was in a car accident in mid-December. Neck has no tissue to support bones. Can adjustments or neck exercises help? Can you help him? He's only 26.
Yeah, it's unfortunate when we see someone who's been in an accident, because there's a production of scar tissue that occurs from the tissue being torn. And as that tissue is torn, this scar tissue is laying down this matrix of tissue that can impede the function of that person's ability to move and to do the things that they would normally do had they not been in the accident. And again, with chiropractic adjustments, we're restoring function back to the joint, helping to lay down a better and a stronger matrix of that scar tissue so that that person can return back to normal function. It may take quite a few treatments. It all depends on the health of that individual to begin with as they begin care.
Doctor, so many times when we go to a medical doctor, it's because we have a problem and we want to get treated. Obviously, you have patients come to see you for that as well, but you also have a maintenance program where if you do regular visits, your body stays more in line and that promotes better health? Is that part of the thinking?
Yes, I think most chiropractors want their patients to follow through with some type of maintenance program. Now, for most chiropractors, I would have to say that they want you to be adjusted once a month, twice a month. It's important to understand that our bodies are constantly bombarded by stress. And it's a stress that can create dysfunction and then unhealthy conditions. And so each person is different. You, for example, respond quite well to once a month treatment. However, somebody who is very active, a weekend warrior, they may need to do once a week.
Sure.
So it all depends on that person, but maintenance care is important and vital to continuing down that road of health.
His name is Dennis Banker. He's a doctor of chiropractic. How do you say that? A chiropractor is basically the best way to do it. He's in Elk Grove. Give him a call if you'd like some more information. Jeff, thanks for the questions. Dr. Banker, you realize you should have been a financial advisor.
I know. I've been told that many times.
Yeah.
Many times.
That's it.